So you're thinking about moving to Phoenix, Arizona, and you've heard about the Elliott Tech Corridor in East Mesa and all the growth there with Google and Facebook and all the industry and employers coming to the area. So what are the price ranges? What is the good? What is the not so good about the homes and the surrounding neighborhoods in East Mesa around the Elliott Tech Corridor? Well, we're going to share that with you right now. Hey, if this is your first time to our channel, then welcome, and you'll want to follow, subscribe, and tap that little bell so you're notified and the first to know about all the pros and cons about living in Phoenix Metro and all the surrounding communities. And we love getting calls, texts, emails from people like you that are moving to Phoenix, Arizona, and the surrounding cities. And for over 30 years, we've helped home buyers and home sellers get great deals and get the most out of their sale in Phoenix, Arizona. So whether you're thinking of moving now or in the near future, just call, text, or email, and we'll be happy to help you make a smooth move also. And if there's any certain city or area you want to know more about, please comment, because we'll love bringing that to you in the future.
It's right here, and you've got the complete tech corridor just east of the 202. And south of the 60 freeway. So this area here has existing homes all along Guadalupe Road and all the way around, all the way to Meridian. And then you've got the newer area of Eastmark, which is exploding. So that you have to go and listen to our video on Eastmark for that, because that's like its own town. But these are established areas that are around this tech corridor. But it's a lot of vacant land, and there's Google and Facebook, all these other companies that are currently building on all this acreage just east of the 202 and actually a little bit over here on the west side. And this main thoroughfare of Ellsworth has high traffic. I mean, so when they built the 202, it opened it up here for people to get easy access to this area, and that's why it's a great location. This will all be developed down here south of Elliott Road also. It's under development, lots of commercial there. So it's bringing a ton of people here for jobs. And I wanted to just show you the proximity to the freeways. This area we'll be talking about is just a couple mile radius of the tech corridor. And then you've got easy access down to the Phoenix Mesa Gateway Airport. You can hop on the freeway, go right down to Santan Village in 10 minutes. You've got additional areas of commercial up here. You've got hospitals all over this area. So you have a lot of doctors and nurses coming into the area. And then you also see the Usery Mountain Regional Park is not very far. So for a lot of recreation, you can go right up here and be there in like 15-minute drive, 15-minute drive, and have all the mountain biking you want, hiking. There's even horseback riding up there. And then if you go with half an hour drive, you can be out to Saguaro Lake. It's beautiful. Saguaro Lake, you've got Canyon Lake, all the way up to Roosevelt Lake, which is huge. And that's where everything comes actually from, is the Roosevelt Lake, and then it comes down. They dam it off for another lake and another lake and another lake and another lake. There's 4 main lakes up there. So this area is very convenient. It's only about 30 miles from the Phoenix International Airport. However, this is what's making this so popular is the proximity to Phoenix Mesa Gateway Airport. So you can fly in clients. Lots of these companies will be flying in clients in this small airport here. So we're going to get after the pros and cons of this, but first I wanted to show you the interior of this one home, because this is the most expensive sale in the area of single family residential homes that I pulled up for a recent comparison of what's available. And this one was a recent sale A beautiful home. And let's look at the photos. I can show you the interior then. Really beautiful for $975. And you can see why a lot of people are moving out here, because this home was built 2021, I believe, and it's a really nice home. So you can get a lot for your money in this area. And like I said, we'll be going through showing you the streets, but you have homes built here anywhere from 1999 to recent homes built. And then the newer builds in Eastmark, of course. But if you don't want to wait for a new build, there are plenty of homes that have been built within the last few years that are beautiful. And we'll go over the price ranges. You have very modest to all the way up to $900,000. So you've got water parks. You've got lots of parks in this area. You have green belts. You've got a splash pad. You've got the Eastmark splash pad and that big community park. So there are plenty of parks in this east side of Mesa, and it's a very highly desirable area. Eastmark is one of the fastest growing cities in the nation. So we're going to go ahead and share the stats right now. So the East Valley Tech Corridor in Mesa, Arizona is located a couple miles south of the US 60 freeway and a couple miles east of Loop 202, and is just a few minutes from that Phoenix Mesa Gateway Airport, which is hub to over 1.5 million travelers annually, and 30 minutes east of Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport, which is much busier. So in addition to the convenient location to access the freeways and the airport, there is what Mesa describes as a really robust fiber network that is way above my tech head. But you probably, if you are into tech, you probably know what that means. And it provides all the power, water, natural gas, and fiber optics and market access and quick entitlement, foreign trade zone that has attracted and continues to attract these major employers like Google and Facebook. Facebook's building an $800 million data center in the Elliott Road Tech Corridor in Mesa. In addition to Google and Facebook, the Elliott Tech Corridor includes employers like Apple, Amazon, EdgeCore, Dignity Health, which is why many homebuyers are moving to this East Mesa area that we'll look at today. Also, being built on the south side of Elliott is Eastgate Plaza, and that will include retail, hospitality, and medical, dental, restaurants, breweries, just to name a few. And this is why we have a lot of doctors and nurses moving here along with tech people. So the types of single-family homes in this established community within the 2-mile radius of the Elliott Tech Corridor, which is basically a no drive time. If you get a single family residence around there, you have no drive time to this tech corridor and no high gas consumption. So as of mid-September 2022, there are currently 55 active homes listed between 429,000 to 1,074,000. And they vary in gross living area size from 1,225 square feet to 4,160 square feet. And they vary in age between built in 1999 up to 2022. There are currently 10 pending sales with list prices from $435,000 to $899,999, from 1,614 square feet to 3,942 square feet, and built between 1999 and 2020, with an average market time of approximately 52 days on the market. In the past 60 days, there have been 45 closed sales in this area, from $400,000 to $975,000, with 1,124 square feet on the low end, all the way up to 3,942 square feet, and built anywhere between 1998 to 2020, with an average market time of 40 days on the market. So this established community is not just close to the Elliott Tech Corridor. This community is also close to shopping malls, restaurants, fast food, and other support facilities, currently located just a couple miles north, just south of the 60 freeway at Superstition Gateway West and Superstition Gateway East. Or for more shopping and upscale restaurants, you take the freeway a few minutes south to Santan Village Mall. This is more of established community. It has tree-lined streets. It's not like Eastmark, not newer, and still a lot of building going on. So you're not going to get a lot of dust. There's lots of green belts, plenty of parks like Signal Butte, Highland Ridge, Mountain Ranch, and Tire Swing Park, not to mention Eastmark Park, which it's north of. And there's a splash pad there, and kids have lots of fun in the summer. So those are the pros about the beautiful established residential community here, just around that Elliott Tech Corridor. The cons about this area may be that you don't want to hear any airplane noise at all. And you really aren't very far from that Phoenix Mesa Gateway Airport, formerly known as Williams Air Force Base. There will be continued expansion of that airport all through, but although the traffic currently is a fraction of what it is at the Phoenix International Airport. Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport is by far the larger airport, and it's closest to downtown. It's also the hub for American Airlines and Southwest. And the reason that Phoenix Mesa Gateway Airport does not have as much traffic as Phoenix International Airport is that it's not as convenient to downtown Phoenix. But it's kind of a pro that it's on the east side of the valley, and there are a lot of winter visitors. It's also a major hub for less expensive Allegiant Airlines, which offers limited nonstop service to and from many smaller airports around the U.S. and that have service directly into larger Sky Harbor Airport. And that's actually why the smaller and less busy Phoenix Mesa Gateway Airport is a really great option for many East Valley City winter visitors from Canada and other cool states that utilize that a lot.
So if you're thinking of making a move to the Elliott Tech Corridor in Mesa, Arizona, then just reach out and call us, text us, or email, and we'll help you make the smooth move too. For over 30 years, we've helped homebuyers and home sellers with excellence through experience.